Hi, in front of me I have GARMIN Vivosmart 3, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our device. To do it, simply double tap on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold on it to open the menu, then swipe down on the screen to scroll up and tap on the settings icon. In settings, swipe up on the screen to scroll down, find this tool wrench icon, tap on it, and here the first option is called vibration. Tap on it, and now we can change the intensity by swiping up and down on the screen. Select the one you like, and then tap on it to apply it. And that's how you change the vibration intensity on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.